When you want to let some sunshine in and enjoy the view from your RV, keep the curtains out of the way with the RecPro RV curtain tiebacks. These tiebacks are a simple way to make the most of the windows in your RV. With these tiebacks, you can still have curtains and keep them closed when you want privacy. But when you want them out of the way, you can easily do so using the tiebacks. They're easy to use. Just pull your curtains back and place them into the tiebacks and they'll hold the curtain in. These USA-made RV tiebacks are constructed from 14-gauge steel, meaning they're going to last. You can get them in either packs of 2 or 4 in either black or white, so you can choose whichever color best suits your RV. To install, simply put screws into the 2 holes in the tieback and screw them into the wall next to your window. Please note, screws are not included with the tiebacks. The dimensions for these curtain tiebacks will be up on the screen if you want to pause the video and take a look. Don't let a breeze or unruly curtains keep you from having a nice bit of sunlight. Upgrade to some handy tiebacks from RecPro and make keeping your curtains open simple as can be. If you'd like to learn more about this product, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.